Random.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Actually we from section 5 and my name is Muhammad Ikmal Hafiz. This is our captain.
My name is Muhammad Izzat bin
Others my friend.
My name is Alif Najmi bin Ahmad Tamizi.
My name is Muhammad Akif Zeqree bin Zaidi.
Okay, so actually we get an assignment it's about potential energy, kinetic energy and conservation of energy. So this experiment is divided by two. So experiment 1, me and Izzat will do for experiment 1 and Alif and Akif will do experiment 2. Yeah. So first experiment is about the height of water and its energy. So experiment 2 is about let's swing. Yeah, let's swing.
Swing.
So hope you guys enjoy. Hello, me and my friend will do experiment 1. Experiment 1 is about water height and energy. Sometimes we found the tank with water tap. After we open the tap, we realize the water comes out drastically or slowly. If the water come out slowly, that means water in the tank is in minimum capacity. So we will prove through this experiment. So the hypothesis is when the height of water is higher, then the potential energy is increased. The manipulated variable is water level, momentum of water coming out of the hole is a very respondent variable, and the density of water is constant variable.
Hello guys, I want to show you to preparing experiment 1. The tool is bottle and tape, pen. Firstly, you must divide. You must tape the bottle to divide the water level. First, water level 1. Second, water level 2. And third, level 3. Then you poke the lower of the bottle. You put off the lower of the bottle to get a hole. I will show you about experiment 1. First, we open the bottle and see the water coming out from the bottle is faster at level 3 and wait to level 2. And then we go to level 2. We see that the coming water from the level 2 coming out water from level 2. And see the level 3 is much slow at hole. Okay guys, the result of the experiment 1 is momentum of the water coming out from the hole at level 1 is the water move directly from the bottle so fast, but momentum of the water coming out from hole at level 3, the water move very slowly because at the level 1 pressure G 9.81 have to pressure the water. After that, the relation between the water level and momentum of the water is, if the water level is high, the momentum of the water is increased.
Hi guys, so today my friends and I do experiment 2, that's swing experiment. So this experiment we use ropes, 2 bottles, and you should label the bottles A and B. So we tied the ropes and we hang the bottles, both of them. So the variables on the experiment, so the MV, force applied to the bottle, and the RV is response of the bottle B, and the CV is volume of the waters, because the same, right? So in this experiment, the hypothesis, the more force you apply to bottle A, the fastest, the less time taken that take bottle B to respond.
Before we start the experiment, we must make sure this rope is tied strongly to prevent it to move around like to the right or to the left.
Yep.
So when we want to move these bottles, we must hold that bottle. So put some force to the bottle and then release that bottle, and the 2 bottles will swing together.
Tada!
Ta-da! Okay, from the experiment, we can relate it to our real life. In our life, we use machine. Machine have a gear in the machine. So, force is only applied to one gear, and that can reduce the usage of energy. This can help us to build nature. Gear, when we just need to give force to the just one gear, and the gear have connected to the another gear. When the main gear or the core of the gear move, then another gear will move, so the machine will work. And this is our way to reduce the usage of energy and save our nature. According to this experiment, we can relate it to our real life, such as we can reduce the usage of energy. Okay, by the law of the conservation of energy, we only need to move one of the bottle, but if we move this one of bottle, we can move these 2 bottle, so we use the least energy to move these 2 bottles. So that is the law of conservation of energy, because we just use the least energy.
Now we will explain about conclusion about our experiment. So we will start from experiment 1.
Okay, so the conclusion for experiment 1 is when height of water is higher, then the potential energy will increase. If the density of water is same. Okay, back to the experiment 2.
So in this experiment 2, we can conclude that if 2 load with the same mass and height connected on the same rope, after you give force to the first one, and another load will receive the force, and it will slowly follow the first one.
That's all.
Okay, thank you for watching. We hope that our experiment will be accepted. Thank you to the lecturer, Miss Faiza, for give us this assignment. We have learned a lot, so thank you.
Kena ulang dia. Kena ulang dia.